How to post long videos on WhatsApp status on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. For your kind information, WhatsApp only allows up to 30 seconds, so you'll need a third party application. So you can easily go and open Play Store, and now you can easily search from the search icon the third party applications that help you to edit your video and split it onto halves. So you can easily download the application and open it and select the split video, and then you can easily choose the video from your gallery. You can set the split duration and then split, then proceed. Once done, you can easily share it to your WhatsApp status. You can open WhatsApp, sign into your account, navigate to updates at bottom left, and add the status that have been splitted. You can easily add the multiple splitted videos with the help of that particular editor and then upload all the full video on your WhatsApp status. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe